Hey guys, so welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a exclude collection and why it's required. So for example, your organization want to install Office 365 across the organization endpoints, okay? But few devices having some hardware compatibility issue and your company is not going to install application 3 or Office 365 on those devices who having a legacy or like a OS, okay? So how we can handle this situation? So these type scenario, exclude collection will help us. So let's see how we can work on. So log on to your SCCM server, open a configuration manager console. So first I would like to show you something that under device collection I have created a like a collection called a legacy devices, okay? So if we click on legacy devices, we can see I have a computer that is a Windows 7 PC1, okay? So uh, now we can learn that how we can exclude this Windows 7 with a single collection. So we can install Office 365 across the organization, but Office 365 will not install on this PC. This PC, or if you have a multiple PC and the collection, then policy will not affect on those computer, okay? So from workspace area, we need to click on asset and compliance, device collection, right click on device collection or this empty area, create a device collection, okay? Name it, I want to name it Office 365, sorry, exclude CO collection hyphen O365, okay? So you can name it whatever you want. So click on browse, select all the system. As now you can see we have a 7 system in all the system, okay? So click OK. Next, add rule, direct rule. Click on next, type the value, percentage is a wildcard. Next, select all the devices. If you note, I'm going to select the Windows 7 device from here, but later on I'll show you that how we can exclude this. So click next, next, close, next, and next again, and close. So now you can see that we have a exclude collection and it's just created, so it's not reflecting how many devices are there. So hit F5 and now you can see we have a 5 device in this exclude collection Office 365, okay? Again we are going to refresh. Okay, so now we have 5 device, member count is 5. If we can open this, we can see DC1, SCCM, Windows 10 PC1, Windows 10 PC2 and Windows 7, okay? Now what we need to do, just go to device collection, highlight the collection, exclude, okay? So right click here, choose properties, membership rules, add rule, exclude collections, and from here we need to select the exclude collection which we have created recently. So in my scenario I have a legacy device collection which having a one device, okay? So I'm going to click OK, apply, and OK. So now you can see I have a exclude collection with 5 member, but if I'll refresh this, you can see now we have a 4 members in this device collection. If you open, you can see that Windows 7 is gone, okay? So guys, in this way we can create a exclude collection, which is very helpful in your uh, administration task. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.